In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an API key in Google AI Studio. We'll walk through the process from the very beginning so you can generate your key quickly and know exactly where to find it afterward. This is useful if you're planning to connect Google AI Studio to an app, workflow, or development project. Start by opening your browser and searching for Google AI Studio. From the search results, click on the official Google AI Studio page to open the platform. Once you're inside Google AI Studio, look for the key icon in the interface and click on it. This will take you to the area where API keys are managed. If this is your first time visiting this section, take a moment to look around so you understand where your keys will appear later. Next, click on Create API Key. This starts the key creation process. You'll then be prompted to type in a name for the new key. Choose something clear and recognizable so it's easy to identify later, especially if you plan to create more than one key for different projects or environments. After naming the key, choose an imported project from the available options. Make sure you select the correct project since the API key will be associated with it. This helps keep your setup organized and ensures you're working in the right environment. Once everything looks correct, click on Create Key. Google AI Studio will then generate the new API key for you. After the key is created, you'll be able to see the API key details on screen. This is where you can confirm that the key was created successfully and review the information connected to it. You also have the option to copy the key directly from this page. If you do, store it somewhere secure and easy for you to access later, since API keys are sensitive and should be handled carefully. And that's how to create an API key in Google AI Studio.